think I have to go back. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my god, that's so scary. Oh my god, it's very hard to drive a motorbike over here. Hi guys, it's shame on me because I could not find waterfall. Yeah. I'm at Norway. I have no idea where am I right now. Wow. You see the water is so clear. Wow. I think it's going to be very fresh water. Of course, fresh from the mountain. I think that boy is going to jump. Oh my god. Oh my god! Hello, hi guys, welcome back to paiinthailand channel. Yes, today I'm gonna go to Wang Kiang Khu waterfall. Yeah, so I would like to take you guys to this waterfall and just would like you guys to take a look how it's beautiful of these places, and then I'm gonna go and have some lunch later on. So this location is in Tai Muang district, yeah, which is located in Phang Nga, yeah. So it's very popular places for the people who like to come and enjoy the water activities such as bamboo raftings, or some people they would like to come here just for the nature, you know, like for the swim or to take a look like the atmosphere over here. So until now, let's go together and then let's see the atmosphere in this area before we get into the waterfall. Okay? Okay, let's start it. On the way back, I'm gonna stop by here. Yeah, Ban Rai Kiang Khu. They close. Let's see. This is on the way to the waterfall. Yeah, so I really love our nature over here, and so I'm so lucky I born here. And of course, we have so much beautiful places in Thailand. Yep. So let's go and take a look. Wow. Seriously, I never been to this place before. This is my first time I've been here. A lot of people over here, I think. Oh, tông này đi. I have no idea where am I. I think I have to go back. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so scary. Maybe this way to the waterfall? Yeah, this way to the waterfall. Oh yeah. The road is very bumpy. What the heck? I have to drive very slowly because, okay. Alright guys, now and I think we almost reached the waterfall, yeah, but the road is quite very bumpy, so I need to switch off my phone right now because I don't want to have any accident when I'm driving the motorbike, okay? So see you at the waterfall. To drive a motorbike over here. I think I should not come here. It's so quiet. It's nobody over here. Oh my goodness. Where am I? Hi guys, it's shame on me because I could not find waterfall. I'm at no way. I have no idea where am I right now. So now I'm in the middle of jungle and it's nobody out here. I don't see anyone. I think I get lost. Yeah, sorry. So maybe today my mission is not completed. I'm sorry. Yeah, and so before we leave these places, I just would like to show you some beautiful view, beautiful atmosphere over here. Yeah, okay, let's take a look. This is the place where I am right now, and over there you see little waters. Of course this water is come from the mountain. Yeah, that you hear the sound. Yes, so my God. And those trees, they are the rubber tree and it's very huge. I think this tree is more than 50 years. This. Alright guys, so I need to leave this place now because this place is look a little bit haunted because I'm here by myself. And then let's see where I'm gonna take you guys next. Okay, I'm sorry, today I could not make it. My mission is not completed. So let's leave, let's get out from these places, yeah? Okay, see you. Alright guys, finally I'm here, yes. So let's go and take a look. So this area, if anyone would like to come and swim, yes, you can come over here and you can have some food, local food, yes. So they have few restaurants here. And over there as well, yes. So let's go and take a look. Hi guys, so finally I find a way out to the waterfall, and let's go and take a look what is the place over here and how it's beautiful of these places. So let's come together with me. Oh, so in this area you can, if you would like to come and swim, of course you can just come and swim, enjoy your days. Oh wow. Oh. And you know that one, that sign is what written Wang Kiang Ku waterfall. Yep. Now all the kids, they are playing good. So over there they are also restaurant as well, like the very typical local restaurant. cool. You have to walk a bit, be careful, yeah, because they have a lot of rocks over here. You see the water? Wow, it's so clear. There are few people there come and relax over here because today is a weekend. Like no, today is a long weekend for Thai people. Wow, you see the water is so clear. Wow, I think it's going to be very fresh water. Of course, fresh from the mountain. I think that boy is gonna jump. Oh my god! Wow, I'm scared to do that. Alright guys, one more thing. If you guys come together with the family, especially you have kids, right? So make sure just monitor them when you guys take kids here, because you know, like the water, even the water is not that deep, but sometimes the water is too shallow because of rain season. So just make sure you have to take care of your children when you come and relaxing over here. Yes, and over here they can do like the water activities such as the bamboo raftings, or if some people they don't want to do the bamboo rafting, you can come and enjoy, sit in the park, or just go and swim in the water, but make sure a little bit be careful. Yes, and so today I hope you guys like my video, and I was get lost because I don't know the direction, because it just drive and then just relax and feel the nature. But anyway, somehow I'm here finally get back to the waterfall. Yeah, so today I have to go now. I hope you like my video, and then if anyone did not subscribe my channel, just subscribe my channel. Yeah, by in Thailand. Yeah, all right, so see you, bye bye.